You weren't profound, you were overwhelmed, and people confuse the two. Called exhaustion a worldview, and everyone nodded like it was new. No thesis, no direction, just irritation turned up loud. If confusion is a virtue now, then every breakdown gets a crown. They call it genius, I call it fear, pressed into vital so no one hears. The lack of thought, the lack of spine, the absence dressed as sign of the times. If this is death, it's shallow ground, just noise upheld by groupthink sound. You hated culture while feeding on it, bit the hand and begged for more. Sold disgust as authenticity, then cried when it became a chore. You said the system made you sick, but never stopped to ask how or why. Critique requires clarity, not just standing there and whining into a mic. They call it honesty, call it what it is. Self-pity marketed as risk. No arguments, no insight gained, just personal failure framed as pain. If this is what they mean by true, then truth deserves a better use. Where was the idea past the feeling? Where was the point beyond I heard? You never built, you never challenged, you just made damage look like work. Anyone can fall apart, that doesn't make it brave or rare. It just means pressure found a fault, and nothing else was waiting there. They say you spoke for the unheard, but you never said a thing. You just amplified your own discomfort and called the echo meaning. If rebellion is refusing thought, if courage is retreat, then apathy wins every time and calls itself elite. They call it legacy, I call it hype, repetition mistaken for insight. A myth maintained by mutual fear, no one brave enough to say this is thin. No vision, no proposal, no repair, just quitting elevated to I care. If you saw the lie, you joined it. If you knew the cost you paid, if this was resistance, explain it. Because all I hear is someone